Hi, this is CJ of 2Graphic4U with another Photoshop tutorial, where I'll show you how to make a neon text effect. The background image I'm using is from Storyblocks, but you can also get an image like this from Freepik. Links will be in the description. So now let's get started. The font I'm using is Snakehead BTN Outline. I'm using the outline so it looks like the neon tubes are lit. For the text color, I'm using a bright green. If you want to use the same color as me, the color value is 05F916. Now, type in any word you want. I'm going to type in neon. Now press Ctrl or Command T to resize it. Now duplicate the text by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Now we'll add our effect to the text. So double click on the top layer. Click on Outer Glow. Click on the color box. And we're going to change it to the bright green we used for the text by typing in 05F916. Then click OK. Your settings may be different from mine, as each font has different attributes, so you may have to experiment with your settings. Under Elements, I have the size at 250 pixels. And the range at about 20%. Then click OK. Now click on the lower layer. Click on the brush tool. The opacity should be 100%. And the flow at a low rate. I have mine at 54%. For the brush, I'm using soft round pressure opacity. This layer will have to be rasterized, so click OK. Now brush around the text like this. Change the blend mode to soft light. You may have to reduce the opacity so it's not so bright. I've got mine at 89%. And that's how to make a neon text effect. I'm CJ, thanks for watching, and God bless.